Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll share a new project called DataAI Network, which has already raised 6.63 million in funding. This project is backed by ChainGPT along with some other investors. So what is DataAI? DataAI is basically a simple online tool that gathers and explains blockchain data like for crypto lending, digital art, real estate tokens, and blockchain games to help anyone spot trends without needing technical skills. If you want more information, then you can visit their official website. If you check their X profile, you'll see they have 101k followers right now, and they're really active there to build a strong community, which is a great sign. Before joining, if you still haven't joined our Telegram channel, then you're missing lots of updates related to crypto and airdrops. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. Now to join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram link in the description where you'll find this page a link. After landing here, the first thing you need to do is connect your wallet. For that, click on connect and you will see lots of wallet options. You can choose any of these, but I select MetaMask here. Then connect and confirm, and you're ready to go. Here you'll see lots of options, but for the airdrop, click on the missions tab. Then you will see many basic tasks that you need to complete to earn points. To complete the task, first connect your social accounts, connect Twitter, then authorize the app. Done. Next, connect Telegram. Done. Then connect Discord. Then authorize. And done. Now you're ready to complete all the tasks. To complete a task, click on go, then like and repost the post. After that, go back and click on claim and you're done. Similarly, complete all of them. It's very easy. Next, I'll show you how to join the Discord server. For that, click on join Discord, then accept the invite. After that, click on the verification tab, then click verify and solve the captcha. Once verified, go back to the airdrop page, click on claim and done. Next, click on the leaderboard section. Here you'll find the top rankers, and on the right side you'll find your referral link, which you can share with your friends to boost your points. And that's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. And if you're new to this channel, please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Goodbye.